Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the exclusive Luminary rod skin for free and fix it without doing any quests. So in this latest update, the game added a brand new exclusive rod skin that called Luminary, and to claim it, it's very easy. Just tap on the red card icon, and then after that just scroll down until you find the redeem code sections like this, and then after that just type 1m_cool like this, and then just redeem it, and you will get the luminary like this, and it will add it to your inventory automatically like this. You will see it, this one luminary rod skin, and it's a exclusive rod skin. And then next, just try to use it. Let's try it. It has a blue color like this with the lightning effects. It has a glow effects like this, and I think it's so cool. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.